In the quiet town of Waterbury Center, Vermont, something extraordinary is happening this Christmas season. It's a story of reconciliation, a profound miracle transcending time and space. Imagine generations coming together, families, children, grandchildren, all gathering to experience the profound miracle of Christmas. Join us at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly on Saturday, December 16th from 2 to 4 p.m. for a deep afternoon of harp and bowl worship and intercession. Picture this: the deep resonance of instruments, voices lifted in unison, prayers echoing through the sanctuary. This Christmas season, we gather for harp and bowl worship. We reflect on the words of 2 Corinthians 5:18. All this from God, who reconciled us to himself through Christ and gave us the ministry of reconciliation. The Hope Worship Team will lead us in worship, creating a deep atmosphere of reverence and joy. We'll come together, not just as a community, but as a family, seeking the profound Christmas miracle of reconciliation. 2,000 years ago, a star lit up the sky, guiding shepherds and kings to witness the birth of a child in a humble manger. God became man so that we could be reconciled to the Father. It's not just a story, it's an invitation to experience the deep warmth of love and the peace that comes from being reconciled to your Heavenly Father. Bring a friend. Join us at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly in Waterbury Center, Vermont on Saturday, December 16th from 2 to 4 p.m. for an afternoon of harp and bowl worship with the Hope Worship Team. Together, let us embrace the miracle of Christmas and find the joy in the story of reconciliation through worship, intercession, and prayer.